Inside volcanoes, it's magma. Outside volcanoes, outside the volcano, that's lava. Just to tell you.